Is joint investing with your partner or spouse even possible on Wealthsimple? And if so, what are your best options to make it happen? When my partner and I first decided to merge some of our finances, it wasn't just about bills and a joint checking account. We wanted to invest together for shared goals, things like a future down payment, major travel, or just general long-term wealth building outside of our individual retirement accounts. The problem is, for Canadian investors, Wealthsimple doesn't offer joint registered accounts like a TFSA or a standard RRSP. Those are strictly individual by government rules. So, if you want to invest together, you essentially have two paths, and they depend on your goal: the joint non-registered account and the spousal RRSP. The joint non-registered account. This is the most straightforward option for general joint investing on Wealthsimple. They offer both a managed portfolio and a self-directed trading account that can be opened jointly. The pro: it's simple. Both of you are owners with equal access to deposit, withdraw, and manage the investments. This is great for an accessible, shared pot of money with no government contribution limits. The con: it is a taxable account. Any income, like interest, dividends, or realized capital gains, is taxable every year. My takeaway: for couples, the key is the tax implication. You and your partner must agree on the proportional split of contributions, because that's how the tax burden is legally split. If I put in 70% of the money, I report 70% of the account's income on my tax return, and my partner reports 30%. This requires good record keeping and clear communication. It's the best option for flexible, non-retirement investment goals. The spousal RRSP. This is your second option, but it's only for retirement savings and primarily for couples with a significant income gap. The pro: it's a great tax optimization tool. The higher-earning spouse contributes to an RRSP in the name of the lower-earning spouse. Contributions are deducted from the high earner's taxable income, but when the money is eventually withdrawn in retirement, it's taxed in the lower earner's hands, hopefully at a lower tax rate. It's an effective way to split retirement income and reduce your total household tax liability in retirement. The con: it is not a joint account. Only the contributor, the high earner, gets the tax deduction, and only the spouse who is the account holder can withdraw the money and use it. Your combined contribution room is based on the contributor's limit. My takeaway: my partner and I considered this, but our incomes are similar, so the tax benefit wasn't huge. This account is designed for tax efficiency through income splitting, not for a shared, accessible investment fund. It's a strategic retirement account, not a general investing account. Which account should you choose? My advice is to ask yourselves two questions. Is this money for retirement, and do our incomes differ greatly? If yes, explore a spousal RRSP alongside your individual TFSAs and RRSPs. Is this money for any other shared goal, and do we want equal, flexible access? If yes, a joint non-registered account is your best bet on Wealthsimple. For most couples who are maxed out on their registered accounts or saving for something in the next 5 to 15 years, the joint non-registered account is the one you'll open. Just be diligent about documenting your contribution ratio for tax season. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.